Can you view private Instagram profiles? Here's what you need to do. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a question that many people have asked. Can you view private Instagram profiles? The answer might surprise you, so stick around as we break it all down for you. First, let's quickly go over how Instagram privacy settings work. So when someone sets their profile to private, only their approved followers can see their posts, stories, and highlights. This is designed to protect user privacy and control who has access to their content. Now, you may have seen websites, apps, or even YouTube videos claiming that they can hack private profiles or let you view them without following. So let's be clear, these are all scams. Instagram has strict security measures in place and no third-party tools can bypass them. Many of these so-called private profile viewers are just traps to steal your data or install malware. So, is there any way to view a private profile? The only legitimate method is to send a follow request and wait for approval. And if they accept, you'll have access to their content just like any other followers. Other than that, you can try checking other social media, like many users have other social media contents on other platforms like Facebook or Twitter. And you can also check through mutual connections. So if you have mutual friends, they might share posts or stories with you. And you gotta respect their privacy. If someone chooses to keep their profile private, it's best to respect their decision. Trying to bypass Instagram's privacy settings is just unethical. It can also get you banned. Instagram actively shuts down accounts that engage in suspicious behavior and using sketchy third-party apps and compromise your own security. So there you have it. The only way to view a private Instagram profile is to follow that account and wait for approval. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech and social media insights. I'll see you in the next video.